Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are here to make easy and tasty Paneer Chilli Masala recipe. Further, we are using Ching's secret Paneer Chilli Masala. To prepare this recipe, we don't need much ingredients because this one packet of Ching's secret Paneer Chilli Masala has everything in it. It includes ingredients like ginger, cumin powder, coriander and pepper in it. So let's get started with the preparation. Firstly, let's take 2 cups of water, which is approximately 300 ml. Add 1 packet of Ching's secret Paneer Chilli Masala. This packet cost 10 rupees with a net quantity of 20 grams. Mix well so that no lumps are formed. Now keep this aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of vegetables of your choice. Now add slit green chilli. Add 200 grams of paneer cubes. Now add the masala mixture. Let it be in simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. For thicker gravy, simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Add spring onion for garnishing. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Also, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Easy and tasty, Paneer Chilli is ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.